Hello, this is Mike from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. I'm here today to talk to you and walk you through our brand new 270 Sea Ray Sundeck. This boat is equipped with an inboard-outboard engine. It also has the flip-down platform for swimming. Here's a view of the engine compartment. And right next to that is an enormous storage area where you can put any of your water toys that you would like. Walking into the cockpit, we have a remote fusion stereo head, a shower head so you can wash off when you're coming out of the water, and a nice overboard draining cooler area. This boat is equipped with the dune color, and it has the optional SeaDek flooring. If you decide that you wanted to dock this boat and you needed a side entry, there is a flip down side step right here, which is very nice and convenient. Walking into the cockpit, which is very spacious, we have a lot of seating. And underneath the seating we have a lot of storage. For example, in here we have the storage area for the optional filler cushions for the bow area, so you can have a nice big sun pad. We've got the location for one of the two tables right here. On the starboard side we have a nice big removable igloo cooler under this seat. And in the deck, of course, we have a lockable, enormous storage space. This boat is also equipped with the optional compressor for your water toys. Moving forward to the starboard, this has the Simrad screen, which all your information runs through, your main fusion stereo head, and all of your switches, throttles, etc. The seats have flip-up bolsters, so you can either sit down or sit in the upright position. This boat has a lockable storage area here on the port side. And of course, it has a head with moving forward, we have some additional storage space in here. Here's where the two tables are stowed at. And directly ahead is the location for the second table. This boat also is equipped with the windscreen, so if it's nasty out, all you have to do is flip this closed, close your window, and you're nice and protected in the cockpit. Moving forward, we have even more in-deck storage. Which is also lockable, I should point out. Armrests are flip up, flip down. And then we have more storage under both the starboard side of the boat and under the port side of the boat. In the bow area here, our anchor locker, and in the anchor locker is a ladder which can be used if you decide to beach the boat for the day at the sandbar and go in and out of the front of the boat, and when you're coming back in you can wash off with your freshwater shower head. Finally, this boat is equipped with the optional arch, and it has a tow point on the top if you wanted to do some wakeboarding. I also want to mention that this boat is yacht certified, so there is no Coast Guard limitation to the amount of people that you can carry on board. Again, this has been Mike from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. I hope you like the walkthrough of our brand new 2020 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck. If you'd like to talk about this boat or any of the other boats or see any of them, we can make an appointment at our location in Somers Point. Please give us a call at 609-926-0600. We look forward to seeing you on the water.